Hello people, welcome back to Grow with James. In this video, we'll try to find out the meaning of hold my beer. Hold my beer haibasiga artasi yengsi. Hold, to grasp or grip. Paiba ko. Paisinba, paiba. Hold haibadiko. Hold my hand. Hadi kutsi payu. Hold this ball. Masigi ball si payu. And hold, grasp or grip. Me haibadi aiko. Look at me. Aingonda yengao. Me la is kaygino the my the lak nabane. My do kang nabko. Loy kang ye dubu. Karapazana hainangai ko. My have the first person singular possessive determiner. Belonging to me. Aigi oiba ko. Aingonda aigi oiba pot. Haitare. You are the nang second person. My means first person. She is my wife. Mahak aigi nupini. It is my ball. Masi aigi ball ne. Beer, an alcoholic drink fermented from starch material, commonly barley malt, often with hops and some other substance to impart a bitter flavor. From this we know beer contains alcohol. Alcohol yawa pot amani beer harisiko. Alcohol yawradi ngaw bayus masantai. Masi ferment tawraga ko. Aikoina kano tawraga fermentation process si narga semaneba. Hold my beer haibasi punchline amani. The final part of a joke ki loisalakpagi matang. Final part of a joke. The word, sentence or actions of sentences that is intended to be funny and provokes laughter from the listeners. Catchphrase. A group of words often originating in popular culture that is spontaneously popularized after widespread repeated use. Miniyam sinarkpadagi hawdokibane wasiko 90s adwaidiko. When one is drunk, he or she can become stupid and proud. Kaidaure yu thaksiluramina beer du mayam tha uragadi mi du ngaurani ngauragadi yam pange yam ponge natra. It can also make him or her overconfident. Ngamoida potto ngamani haibagi mangunda strength pangalam la ngamoida potto ko. Doing stupid things is possible. Apang matabak to wasiso adum oithoe maramdi ngauramna overconfident waramna proud waramna ko. Adum apang matabak to wase oithoe natra. Adunya haise. Attempting stunts that he or she cannot do is possible. Ngamoida ba stunts mayam building day chongda ba buwero. Car thogat pa buwero amoro ngamoida potse. Hekta tawge khalae yam proud so eramina ko ponga mina arrogant eramina ko. Aduna stunts kumba karikrang ama mazi hekta. Ai kem khande ai tawge haibagi confidence la mangonda. Ngauramnina pangabna pongamnina ko. Doing dangerous things that make him or her die or injure or fail is possible. Sigidaba sibiyaba pot fail wagidaba pot mayamam laidana ko. Yamna luba pot suktaw tawdriba pot. Adugumba dangerous oiba risky oiba pot singse. Matawda kiraktreba. But he or she is proud, arrogant, and stupid due to the effect of the alcoholic drink. Adubu mazi yamna arrogant waramnina proud waramnina pangabnina alcohol dugi effect na ko. Kidaure mazi tawninga neba ko. Now someone needs to hold his or her beer so that he or she can do the stunt, the dangerous thing, the stupid thing, or the risky thing, right? So hold my beer. Haji hariba yam dangerous oiba, yam pang batabak oiba, yam risky oiba, si baya ba, fail oiba ba, mina tawnada ba, mina tawraktri batabak mayam do. Ay ngamani. Haibi wakaldula mina. Adugi thabaktu tawbada magi beer do pairaga tawbadi yadabnina mana hold my beer hairaba ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯌꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯄꯥꯏꯌꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯉꯝꯃ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯔꯨꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯒꯗꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯃꯤꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯨ ꯉꯥꯎꯔꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯁꯦ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯄꯥꯏꯌꯨꯁꯦ ꯕꯤꯌꯔ ꯕꯣꯇꯜ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯄꯥꯏꯌꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤꯀꯣ